Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage cottage-inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage cottage-inspired home decoration is a warm, nostalgic interior style that blends old world charm with cozy lift-in comfort. It takes inspiration from countryside cottages and combines antique or vintage pieces with soft, romantic details to create a space that feels beautiful, charming, and timeless. At its core, vintage cottage decor is about creating a home that looks like it has a story filled with connected treasures, gentle colors, and natural textures rather than modern perfect finishes. Key characteristics: soft muted color palette, think dreamy whites, pastel pinks, rose greens, dusty blues, and warm neutrals. These colors create a calm and airy cottage feel. Uses vintage and antique furniture. Pieces often look slightly worn or distressed, like painted wooden tables, floral upholstered chairs, or an old dresser with character. Floral and delicate patterns. Florals are a signature element on curtains, cushions, wallpaper, or bedding. Small prints feel more authentic than bold modern designs. Cozy textiles. Layering is important. Use lace curtains, crochet blankets, linen or cotton fabrics, and soft quilts. Use natural materials like wood, wicker, rattan, and ceramic are commonly used to keep the space grounded and rustic. Decorative vintage accents you will often see antique clocks, clusters and vases, old books, vintage frames and mirrors, handmade items. The feeling it creates, a vintage cottage home feels cozy and inviting, romantic and dreamy, simple yet elegant, connected to nature. It is less about perfection and more about comfort and personality. Imagine a small room with a white distressed wooden bed, floral bed sheets, lace curtains gently moving in the breeze, a wooden side table with a vintage lamp, fresh flowers in a glass jar. That is the essence of vintage cottage style. Why people love it? It feels relaxing and peaceful. It is budget friendly. It allows creativity and personal storytelling. It never goes out of style. Here are some practical, beautiful tips to create a cozy vintage cottage inspired home. Easy to follow and perfect even for small spaces. Start with a soft color base. Keep your walls and main furniture light and calming. Use white, cream, and soft base. Use pastel pinks, rose green, dusty blue. This makes your home feel airy, bright, and cottage-like. Mix old and new furniture. You don't need all antique pieces, just blend styles. Use on vintage style wooden table or dresser. Pair it with simple modern items. Slightly worn or distressed furniture adds charm. Layer cozy textiles. Textiles are the heart of cottage style with floral bedsheets or cushion covers, crochet or knitted troughs, lace or light cotton curtains. The more soft layers, the cozier it feels. Add floral touches everywhere. Florals bring the cottage vibe alive. Small floral prints on fabric, fresh flowers in jars, dried flowers for a rustic look. Prints the small and delicate, not bold. Good with vintage accessories. Use simple, old-fashioned decor items. Use glass jars and bottles, old books stuck on tables, vintage clocks or photo frames, ceramic vases. Even reused everyday items can look beautiful. Bring nature indoors. Nature is a big part of cottage style. Use fresh flowers or green plants, wooden trays or baskets, wicker or rattan pitches. It creates a cool, natural atmosphere. Use soft, warm lighting. Avoid harsh, bright lights. Use warm bulbs. Add table lamps or fairy lights, candles, LED or real, for a cozy glow. Keep it slightly imperfect. Don't aim for a perfect modern look. Mix different patterns. Use slightly mismatched items. Let things feel lived in. Imperfection equals charm in vintage cottage style. Decorate in small corners. You will need a big house. Style a small corner with a chair plus cushion plus plant. Add a tiny shelf with books and flowers. Even one corner can create a cottage vibe. Add handmade and personal touches. Make your home feel unique. Use DIY crafts, crochet items, family photos in vintage frames. Personal touches make it warm and meaningful. Start small, like your bed, a corner, or a table. Once you see the cozy vibe, you will naturally want to decorate more. The philosophy behind vintage cottage style. This style is inspired by old countryside homes, where everything was handmade or inherited, functional but beautiful, connected to nature. It is not about luxury, it is about warmth, memories, and simplicity. Color design elements in tip. Color story, layered, not flat. Instead of just one color, vintage cottage uses soft layered tones. Base color, use white, cream, or soft base. Accent color, use shades green, dusty rose, or pale blue. Depth, muted browns, faded oud tones. The color should look slightly aged or faded, not bright and modern. Furniture style and finishes. Furniture is wooden and slightly owned, painted, often white or pastel, sometimes chipped or distressed. Common features: farmhouse tables, open shelving, old style cabinets, and rocking chairs. The goal is collected over time, not bought all at once. Picture is everything. Vintage cottage homes feel cozy because of layered pictures. Use soft linen, rough wood, delicate lace, twinkle nets. Mixing pictures create depth and warmth. Patterns and prints. Patterns are gentle and nostalgic. Use tiny florals, gingham ticks, stripes, soft not bold. Avoid large, loud prints. They bring the calm cottage mood. Nature integration. Nature is not decoration, it is part of the home. Use fresh flowers in simple containers, herbs in the kitchen, natural lights through shade curtains. Even a small plant can change the whole feeling. Room by room concept. Bedroom. Use floral bedding plus layered blankets, wooden or iron bed frames. Use soft lighting plus bedside books. Feels calm, romantic, and restful. Kitchen. Use open shelves or dishes on display. Use glass jars for storage. Wooden cutting boards. Looks lived in and practical, not perfect. Next, living room. Use comfortable setting, not too modern. mixed cushions and shelves. Windows decor on shelves, cozy and inviting for relaxing. Styling secrets, advanced tips, the collected look. Don't decorate everything at once. Add items slowly. Mix old plus handmade plus chipped pieces. This creates authenticity. Imperfection is key. Slightly faded fabrics, use uneven textures, mismatched decor. Perfection makes it look modern, not cottage. Atmosphere over appearance. Focus on how the space feels. Use soft lighting, gentle scents, like flowers and candles. Quiet, peaceful vibe. Storytelling to decor. Every item should feel meaningful. Use old family items, handmade crafts, vintage wines. Your home should tell your story. Common mistakes to avoid: too many modern, glossy items, bright, harsh colors, overcrowding with decorations, matching everything perfectly. Balance is important, cozy, not cluttered. Why this style feels so special? Vintage cottage decor creates emotional comfort, a slower, peaceful environment, a home that feels personal and timeless. Vintage cottage decor equals soft colors, vintage charm, plus cozy layers, plus natural elements, plus personal touches. The soul of vintage cottage style. Vintage cottage decor is not just a look, it is a feeling of slow, peaceful living. It reflects a simpler time before modern fast life. Love for handmade and meaningful items, comfort over perfection. Think a quiet morning, soft sunlight, fresh flowers, and a cozy home. Design principles, professional level, balance between beauty and function. Every item should be useful and beautiful. Examples: a teacup displayed on a shelf, but also used daily. A basket that stores items, but also decorates. Nothing should feel only for show. The lived-in elegance rule: your home should feel used, loved, comfortable. Not too clean, too styled, too perfect. Slight wrinkles, soft fur, and natural egging add charm. Visual softness everywhere. Avoid anything harsh. No sharp contrast. No strong black lines. No shiny plastic look. Instead, rounded shapes, soft-edged matte finishes. Advanced styling techniques. Layering method, designer trick. Use the three-layer rule: base, furniture, middle layer with textiles like cushion and shelves. Top, decor with flowers, books, and candles. This makes spaces look rich and cozy. The odd number rule. Decor looks more natural in odd numbers. 3 candles, 5 books, and 3 vases. It creates a relaxed, non-perfect arrangement. Light control technique. Vintage cottage homes use natural light softly. Use shade curtains, light filtering fabrics, bright but gentle, not harsh sunlight. Fabric mixing formula. Combine on floral, on plain, on textured, lace or crochet. This keeps the look balanced, not overwhelming. Authentic materials guide: must have materials: solid wood, aged or painted, cotton and linen, wicker or rattan, ceramic and glass. Avoid too much of plastic, glossy metal, ultra modern finishes. Natural equal cozy, artificial equal cold. How to make it look truly vintage? Egging techniques. Lightly sand painted furniture. Use off-white instead of pure white. To slightly faded fabrics. Vintage illusion trick. Use old style labels on chairs, display books with own covers, add antique style frames. Even new items can look vintage with styling. Emotional design, very important. Vintage cottage homes feel special because they connected to emotion. Creates zones like tea corner, uses tea, cup, and flowers. Reading corner uses chair, lamp, and books. Winter corner uses plants, soft curtains. These small spaces make your home feel alive. Perfect balance formula. To get the look right, cozy but not cluttered, vintage but not outdated, soft but not boring. The biggest secret of vintage cottage decor is it should feel like home, not a showroom. If someone walks in and feels instantly relaxed, you have done it right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.